So what's going on, guys? Here is another video of mine, and I'm looking at crude oil at the moment. Now in front of me is the crude oil chart, and as you can see, we had yesterday this very red bearish candlestick, and now we are continuing to go towards the 63, 62 to this support line here, which acted previously as a resistance line around here. We hit it, we broke below, we got rejected, we broke above, we retested it as a support line, and now we are coming closer, or rather back again to it. Now at the same time, we have been on this rally for quite some time, and now we might break out of this trend and turn completely around, but at the same time so if we had a couple of indicators, a couple of EMAs, we are targeting the 200-day EMA, which looks like it will be the next target here. Now, if we take a look back to 2018, which was around here. Now again we had here a bullish move where we hit a pretty low in 2016, and suddenly we broke below this trend line here, and we broke completely, which is something that might happen here as well. Now at the same time, we could argue that we are in this scenario here, where we are slightly breaking below the trend line here, but then we might continue again to the upside. Now the difference is, or rather at the moment, we are here somewhere at around 60, we are at these levels here, and back in 2018 we could see a move to around 74, 75, and we dropped again and then went higher again, and this could happen here again as well, where we came pretty close to the 200-day EMA and then rallied up from there. Now if we add some other indicators like the stochastic and MACD, and move forward to now, we are still here above the support line, but the only thing is, or that is different compared to 2018, is that we are here forming lower highs and lower lows. This didn't happen in 2018, which is why we might break this trend and suddenly start going lower. But for now, this area here should act as some kind of support, which means we might rally up again to the resistance line here at around 76. Maybe we can break out again of it and then go higher, or we can break lower. So for now it looks like we will form here, depends, it could turn out to be a bullish flag, which would be this scenario where we start to rally and maybe see a breakout and continue to go and retest the 76 US dollar mark again, or we might continue this trend to the downside. Because if you look at the RSI, we are pretty low, and usually what this means for the crude oil market is that we often see a move to the upside, at least as long as we are on an uptrend, which we are at now, because here we were on a downtrend, so the upside momentums were pretty small, not that significant. But here the RSI was pretty low, and then we rallied again. On the other hand, if we continue to go lower, we will likely see a break like we did here. So for now, what is important, or what I would watch out for, is what will happen here at this area, which, if we see something similar like we did here, where we can form kind of a consolidation pattern and try to form here a support line, I would definitely look for a buying opportunity and target, well, at least the previous resistance line, and maybe then even the heights above at around here. So the trade would look something like this here, where you could maybe enter your stop loss around 58 and target this area here, which would be a 4-to-1 risk reward ratio. Now the RSI is pretty low, but we could still go lower now, which is why I would wait for maybe a bullish sign here. Maybe we could find a bullish candlestick here that shows a sign to the upside, or some other indicators. We might form here maybe a cross at the MACD to the upside, divergence, whatever, some kind of bullish sign. Like I said, this could turn out to be a bullish flag, which means likely we will see here some kind of support, unless we slice through directly, which means we will definitely go lower as we did back in 2018. But I would wait maybe until next week and see, because tomorrow we could still continue to go lower, but if we start becoming slower here, I would definitely look for buying opportunities.